Good morning, students. Here I am ready with your activity. So we are in the chapter Roman numerals. Here I have two worksheets. You can do any one of this. So I am giving you choice. You can either do this or do this. I'll tell you the instructions how you have to do. To do this activity, you just need a chart paper and sticks. Here I have used agarbatti sticks. You can even use matchsticks if you want. You can even do the same activity with using matchsticks, or else you can use ice cream sticks also. And then you need sketches to decorate the sheet. See here what you have to do. Form Roman numeral using matchsticks. Here, to the given numbers, you have to form Roman numeral using the sticks. So the first Roman numeral is 27. So if you see the number 27, so we form Roman numeral. How we use it to form this? By using X, X, V, I. Yes or no? X, 10, 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 5, 25, 26, 27. So here the Roman numeral for 27 is X, X, V, I. So now we have to form that by using our sticks. So you have to take gum and to paste it. First let me arrange how to arrange this. Have a look here. Now I am arranging. Later I will paste and I will show you. See, X, see here I have arranged the number 27. So and I pasted it. In the same way you have to do with the remaining numbers. So you take a chart paper. To do this worksheet, you have to write the heading and decorate it, and you have to form these numbers by using matchsticks or any sticks. Ice cream sticks you can use or matchsticks you can use. Like me, you can also use the unused agarbatti sticks. Okay, so now I'll tell you how to do the second worksheet. It is little bit difficult and you can choose according to your capacity. You can do this or this, no problem, any one you can do. So here is your second worksheet. Form Roman numerals and fill in the blanks using greater than, less than or equals to. Here there is a trick. I gave two numbers. You have to form two numbers using your matchsticks or any of the sticks. And in between that you have to write a fill in the blank and you have to fill that with greater than or less than or equals to. So to form this, first the number is 8. So first what you have to form? We have to form 8 using this. So V I. 8 is that only, right? V is 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 8. So this is 8, and then in between you will get a blank, and that side you have to give 14, right? 14, how we use it to write 14? 10 plus 4. So to write 10 you have to take X. So let me take X. X 10 plus 4. 4, how we have to write 4? So I and V we use it to write for 4. I, and then we have to write V. Here I am not pasting, but you have to paste it. See here, this is the number. This side 8, this side 14 I have taken. So in between this, which symbol you will get? Out of 8 and 14, 14 is a greater one. 8 is less than. So we will put the less than symbol here. 8 is less than 14. In this way you have to do this 5 numbers. To do this worksheet, if you select this worksheet, you have to take a little bit big paper to do this. Okay? So any one of the worksheet you have to select and present it well. Thank you kids. Have a nice day.